By accessing the device database and opening the nodes, you can see after a short time which devices are online and which are not. This happens after a certain time by pinging the devices. If a device could be reached, then a green hook appears next to the symbol. If a device was not found, then a gray cross appears. The devices are not pinged permanently, but by an adjustable cycle. In CrashDesigner server properties, the settings for the ping times can be changed. The change does not only affect the device management, but also request data from plugged sensors. The devices automatically get a marker if they are online or not. This function is also included in CrashDesigner Lite. In the test setup area, there is a new status line. The status of the test is displayed here, and the following buttons can be used to change the status. In the status inactive, no checkmark under the vehicle icon is shown. In the status active means the test is prepared, frozen and ready for execution. A green checkmark under the vehicle symbol appears. In the status completed, the test setup can no longer be changed. The test can still be checked, exported and the documents downloaded. This status is indicated by a black hook under the vehicle icon. There is now also the possibility to filter by one or more of these mentioned statuses. For resetting from active or completed to inactive, full access rights to the entire test setup management are necessary. In the test execution area, in addition to the execute function, now additionally the function import test results is available. The new thing about it is that with import test results, performed changes can be imported from the test setup, just like it is already possible with the dummies. So changes like adjust offset, polarity and much more. All found changes are displayed in import test results as a listing and allows the selection which of the changes should be read back into the preparation and which not. The original state of the test setup is then overwritten. Import test results pulls the XML file that was created when running to capture the test procedure and displays the changes made. Over the functionality, one can reconstruct later again in the database with which settings the test was performed. The release includes a new software offset method. In the selection, there is now the possibility to select measured offset pretest. This makes an offset compensation via software that compensates the measured offset. This is useful if no hardware compensation is possible. In the online display, there is the option to have the offset compensated or not, or switch the offset on and off. This is especially important for a concrete application, if a preload is to be applied to the belt tensioner with force sensors on the belts. The online graphic of CrashDesigner then shows exactly the force that needs to be applied. A traffic check has been added for the logger data from keylogger K3888 for CAN and CAN-FD channels. These are now displayed in the statistics column. If an offset compensation is performed, then the CAN channels are also measured where the traffic is present. If no traffic is present, this is indicated by a red symbol. When traffic is present, Live View is activated for 1 second in real time, counts how many messages arrive and display in CrashDesigner. This function is included in Adjust Offset because this step must be performed. DTI 375V06 is now supported, icon and device added to CrashDesigner. Latest Java Edition Eclipse Adoptium embedded. Advantage here is the large provider Eclipse Foundation. Windows 11 server and clients tested and working.